Good morning. Today we're leaving Khao Yai and heading to Bangkok. Hopefully we're going to meet up with foreigner-to-be, Joel. Alright, we'll see you there. Just got to the hotel in Bangkok. Let's go check in. Not a bad one-bedroom apartment. Who's that? Let's go check out the swimming pool. What a view, that's not too bad, eh? Alright, we're off to Terminal 21, Ascot. We're going to call it a night. We're going to head back to the room. So much for meeting someone today. Oh well, shit happens. Good morning, Shane in Bangkok. This morning we're heading off to the Australian Embassy to get my son another renew his passport. Bangkok's terrible. Take a look at this. Can't come to Thailand without having a ride on the back of a motorbike taxi. Let's go. Cop and cup. Back from the Australian Embassy, going to Siam for brunch. Let's go.